Are you sure you're getting enough protein every day? Because here's the truth. Most people think they are, but their diets are missing the key foods that actually build muscle, burn fat, and keep you strong as you age. Protein isn't just for gym lovers. It's the foundation of your body. It fuels your cells, repairs your tissues, and keeps your metabolism working like a machine. But the question is, are you eating the right ones? In this video, we're uncovering the top high-protein foods that can completely transform your health, body, and energy. Foods you probably know but don't truly understand. Stick around till the end, because you're about to discover the hidden science behind each food and how to use them to fuel your body like never before. Number 1. Eggs. Nature's perfect protein. Let's start with the food that sets the gold standard for protein. Eggs. One large egg contains around 6 to 7 grams of complete protein, but that's not what makes it special. Eggs are what nutritionists call a biological powerhouse. Their protein quality score is 100 out of 100, meaning your body absorbs and uses it almost perfectly. Inside that golden yolk, you'll find choline for brain health, vitamin D for bone strength, and B12 for energy metabolism. Eating eggs doesn't just feed your muscles. It supports your nervous system and hormone production too. What's fascinating is that studies show people who eat eggs for breakfast stay full longer, eat fewer calories throughout the day, and maintain better weight control. Scrambled, boiled, or poached, it doesn't matter. What matters is consistency. 2 eggs in the morning can stabilize your blood sugar, supercharge your metabolism, and give your body the amino acids it needs to start the day strong. Number 2. Chicken breast, the lean muscle builder. When it comes to lean, clean protein, chicken breast reigns supreme. With roughly 26 grams of high-quality protein per 100 grams, it's one of the most efficient muscle-building foods on Earth. The beauty of chicken breast lies in its purity. Almost all protein, minimal fat, and 0 carbs. For anyone focused on gaining lean muscle or losing fat, this is your best friend. But what makes chicken truly special is its amino acid profile, particularly leucine, the key amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis. That's what tells your body, hey, let's build more muscle. Whether grilled, baked, or air-fried, it's incredibly versatile and fits into any diet. Add some olive oil, herbs, and veggies, and you have a perfect high-protein, low-calorie meal that fuels your body without weighing you down. Number 3. Salmon, the protein and omega-3 powerhouse. Now we move to one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, salmon. With about 20 grams of protein per 100 grams, salmon does more than just build muscle. It protects your heart, reduces inflammation, and enhances recovery. The secret weapon here is omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, essential fats that most people are deficient in. These omega-3s help reduce muscle soreness after workouts, improve joint flexibility, and even sharpen your brain. And unlike many other fish, salmon also provides a natural dose of vitamin B6, magnesium, and selenium, nutrients that support energy production and immunity. Eating salmon twice a week can significantly improve muscle recovery and promote smoother, younger-looking skin. Think of it as your natural body and brain fuel, delicious and deeply restorative. Number 4. Lean beef, the iron and strength booster. Lean beef is often misunderstood. People fear the word red meat, but when eaten moderately and chosen wisely, it's one of the most powerful muscle and strength-building foods you can eat. A 100-gram serving provides around 25 grams of complete protein and is rich in iron, zinc, and B vitamins, nutrients critical for oxygen transport, hormonal balance, and energy production. Iron from beef is heme iron, the most bioavailable form your body can absorb, which helps prevent fatigue and anemia. Zinc supports testosterone levels and immune function, while B12 keeps your nervous system firing smoothly. The key is to choose lean cuts like sirloin or tenderloin, grill or pan-sear them lightly, and pair them with greens or whole grains. This combination supports recovery, power, and stamina, especially as you age. Number 5. Turkey breast, the underrated protein powerhouse. If you thought chicken was the ultimate protein, meet its leaner, quieter sibling, turkey breast. It's low in fat, high in protein, and loaded with nutrients that support muscle repair, sleep, and immune health. A 100-gram serving of turkey breast gives you about 29 grams of pure protein. That's more than chicken. Turkey is also rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body produce serotonin and melatonin, which improve mood and promote better sleep. For people struggling with energy crashes or sleepless nights, Turkey can help regulate your body's natural rhythm. It's a food that builds muscle by day and restores your body by night. Roast it, grill it, or shred it into a salad. It's delicious, satisfying, and perfectly aligned with a healthy lifestyle. Number 6. Tuna, the ultimate quick protein. If convenience had a protein champion, it would be tuna. One can of tuna provides nearly 30 grams of lean, high-quality protein with virtually zero carbohydrates. That's why it's a favorite among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Tuna helps your body rebuild muscle tissue quickly and provides a dense source of B vitamins, selenium, and magnesium, key nutrients for energy and performance. But there's more. Tuna is packed with omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and help maintain healthy blood vessels. Just be mindful of the type. Light or skipjack tuna is best for regular consumption due to its lower mercury content. Combine it with avocado, olive oil, or Greek yogurt instead of mayo, and you've got a protein-packed, heart-healthy snack in minutes. Number 7. Greek yogurt. Protein meets probiotics. Greek yogurt is a nutritional gem. Thick, creamy, and rich in complete protein. A single cup can contain up to 20 grams, making it one of the best protein sources for breakfast or a midday snack. What makes it unique is its combination of protein and probiotics, those beneficial bacteria that improve gut health, digestion, and even mood regulation. A healthy gut is the foundation of good health. When your gut is balanced, your body absorbs nutrients better, your immune system gets stronger, and even your skin clears up. Greek yogurt also provides calcium for strong bones and casein protein, which digests slowly and keeps you full for hours. Add some almonds, chia seeds, or berries, and you've got the ultimate high-protein, high-fiber combo that satisfies your cravings while fueling your muscles. Number 8. Almonds, the perfect protein snack. Never underestimate the power of almonds. These small nuts pack a serious nutritional punch, with around 6 grams of protein per ounce, plus healthy fats, fiber, vitamin E, and magnesium. Almonds are fantastic for maintaining steady energy, supporting muscle recovery, and improving heart health. The combination of protein and healthy fats keeps you full, prevents energy dips, and helps stabilize blood sugar. Magnesium aids in muscle function and relaxation, while vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your cells from stress. Whether you eat them raw, roasted, or as almond butter, a handful of almonds can keep you energized throughout the day while supporting your overall well-being. Number 9. Pumpkin seeds, the tiny protein powerhouse. Don't let their size fool you. Pumpkin seeds are one of the most nutrient-dense plant-based proteins available. Just a handful gives you around 9 grams of protein, along with zinc, magnesium, iron, and antioxidants. These tiny seeds help reduce inflammation, improve sleep, and even support testosterone production in men. Magnesium plays a huge role in over 300 bodily functions, including muscle contraction and recovery. Eating pumpkin seeds regularly can enhance your strength, improve your sleep quality, and support better metabolic balance. Sprinkle them on salads, oatmeal, or yogurt, or simply eat them raw. Your body will thank you for the boost. Number 10. Quinoa, the ancient supergrain. Quinoa is one of the few plant foods that provides complete protein, all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own. With 8 grams of protein per cooked cup, plus a generous dose of fiber, iron, and magnesium, quinoa is perfect for balanced nutrition. What makes quinoa special is its ability to stabilize blood sugar and promote long-lasting energy. Unlike refined grains, quinoa's slow-digesting carbs keep your insulin levels steady and your metabolism active. Whether used as a base for salads or a replacement for rice, quinoa supports both muscle recovery and digestive health, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking clean, sustainable energy throughout the day. Now that you know which high-protein foods to focus on, the secret to getting the maximum benefit lies in how you use them. Instead of eating all your protein in one big meal, spread it evenly throughout the day. Your body absorbs it more efficiently that way. Combine different protein sources, like pairing plant proteins with animal proteins to get a complete amino acid profile. Always stay hydrated because your body needs water to metabolize protein effectively, and don't fear healthy fats. They actually help your body use protein for muscle repair and hormone production. As you age, your protein needs increase, not decrease. Aim for around 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily to maintain muscle strength, protect your bones, and keep your metabolism active. Remember, protein isn't just about building muscle, it's about building resilience, energy, and longevity. So, now that you know the truth about protein, are you ready to take your nutrition to the next level? Each of these foods has the power to reshape your body, boost your energy, and protect your health from the inside out. Start adding them to your meals today, and you'll start to feel the difference within weeks. More strength, better focus, and a sharper, leaner you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, because we're just getting started on your journey to a stronger, healthier, and more confident life.